how to open secure folder on Samsung. So there are two ways you can use to open secure folder on your Samsung Galaxy phone if you already created the secure folder or you've already activated the secure folder. If you have not activated the secure folder on your phone, you can just check the video description below to learn how to create and activate the secure folder. Now, to open the secure folder on your Samsung Galaxy phone, all you just need to do is swipe down the control center. Then you should see the secure folder here in the control center. If the secure folder is missing, click on this edit pencil, click on edit full, and then locate the secure folder under available buttons and make sure you click on the secure folder to add the secure folder to the control center like this. So click on it. So you can just press and hold it and then drag it to wherever you want to place the secure folder on your phone. Then click on done. Now when next you want to open the secure folder, just scroll down the control center, locate secure folder here, and then click on it once. Then that's going to open the secure folder. And now we can use to open the secure folder on your Samsung Galaxy phone is come to the app menu. On the apps menu, locate secure folder here, click on it. Then type in your secure folder pin, pattern, and password, or use your fingerprint. Then once you confirm your fingerprint, you see the secure folder open just like this. Then you can now go ahead, start exploring, and then you're good to go. So those are the two ways you can use to open secure folder on Samsung Galaxy phone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.